What is up? I'm Ibrahim, and today we have an upper body dumbbell only workout. So a lot of people avoid doing the upper body workout because they're afraid of hurting their shoulders, or they simply don't know what to do. So today we're gonna keep it simple and efficient and joint friendly. So grab your dumbbells and let's go. Alright, so first off, we're going to start with warming up the shoulders. As you can see, I want you to take this slow. We're not trying to rush this, we're just trying to loosen up the shoulders and get it warm for the exercise session. Alright, next up, just simple hugs over here, trying to stretch out the chest. I don't want you to run out of breath doing this. Just think about it as easy work. We want to get the blood flowing to the muscles that are going to be working. So I want you to take it easy. Chest up, neck long, and breathe. This is our second warm-up. Alright, and last but not the least, we're going to be reaching down over here. Still, we're taking it easy. Let's get some of our core work to get it warm, activated for the exercise itself. One of the main reasons people get injured is because of the lack of warm-up. So minimum, I would always recommend a 5-minute warm-up before any exercise session. Okay, so now we're gonna get going with the first exercise. Our first exercise is the chest press. We are going to be doing this from the floor, so we do not need a bench for this. This is an easy setup. We're going to have both weights on our knees over here, and we're going to lie down and catch the weight at the top. I'll go over here is to tuck the elbow on the way down, and the floor is gonna catch it. So we're gonna go for 30 seconds. Some people ask, should my head be on the floor when I'm doing this? It should. I find myself raising over here sometimes, but the goal is to keep the head down, squeeze at the top, and the floor's gonna catch you each time. And relax. Now we move into our second exercise. Then coming up, I want you to squeeze at the top over here. And you can see how I support my body with my other arm. So this targets the back and the lats. So the first exercise, the chest press. Here we go. Now to finish round 2, I'm gonna go for the other side for the single arm row. Alright, final round here. That chest press for 30 seconds. We're almost there. Okay. Now we have the row one time. This is where 2 dumbbells come in handy. I can do the row on both sides. Because this is our last round. But if you have an issue doing that, I want you to stick to doing the single arm row. If your back hurts, definitely stick to this for the last round. Just a supported row. And relax. So that's the end of our first round. We're going to be moving to circuit number 2. So circuit number 2, first exercise is overhead press. You remember to stand tall and brace your core. One more thing, breathe through the motion each time you press. Moving to the second exercise, we're going to be doing some lateral raises. I want you to give yourself a good base of support and pull just to shoulder height here. Don't forget to breathe. There's no rush to this. Take your time. Remember that you're going for that 30 seconds anyway. Alright, moving back to that first exercise. If you find yourself perching your back, I want you to take the knee over here. Do the same movement. There will be no leg drag with this. There will be no momentum as well. You're going to have to use your shoulders. And if you need a break, I want you to take it. Alright. We have the lateral raise coming again. I'm going to do this in a kneeling position again. So no momentum. Means you are doing all the work. And you can take your time in between reps, just as I'm doing. Then still keep pushing. For those of us who struggle with both exercises on the knee, and you want to use your legs to push, you can do that as well. This is a shoulder press, but this is turning it into a push press that you can do when fatigue sets in. And one more thing, remember to tuck your elbow on the way down so we don't hurt the shoulders. So you don't want to be in this position. You want to be here where you have this V going on. Alright, I want you to take a quick break if you need some. That is the end of circuit number 2. We will be moving to circuit number 3. Now we are going to finish with working on the arms. Starting with some hammer curls. I want you to try and keep your elbows as close to your body as possible and let the movement come from your elbows, not your shoulders. You're going to try and keep that shoulder in place and control the weight in both directions. Second exercise, we have some tricep to stand tall and press up. Let's try and remember that. We want the tricep to stretch on the way down. Stretch straight up. And back to our hammer curls. You may want to reach for the skies each time. And one final round here. And finally, we have that tricep exercise one more time. right. If your arms, shoulders feel like you just put in a good work, that's because we just did. So I want you to take some time and cool down. Make sure you stretch, because that's gonna help you recover well. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.